another rainy day here in Tokyo. I feel like we've been saying this a lot lately, but hey, this is summer in the city. So today we're going to be visiting Takashimaya Times Square. We're planning to just go shopping, spend the day indoors. Also, if you followed the vlog of us traveling from Osaka to Tokyo, you know that my underwear went missing. I still think it was stolen. So yeah, we need to replace a lot of things. Okay, now I'm going to show you this really interesting Japanese hack for rainy days. You know how everyone's got a wet umbrella? Well, you don't want the floor inside the mall getting soaking wet and then everyone's like sliding around. So I'm going to show you this little invention. Voila! Alright, so my plan of action at this mall is to go up to the 12th floor. This is actually a bit of a luxury mall with a lot of high-end brands, but they do have a Uniqlo on the 12th floor, which I would probably compare to like a Japanese version of H&M. It's just kind of budget friendly. So yeah, my plan is to go there, and then I think we're also gonna try and grab some lunch here because the three of us are feeling pretty hungry. Because we're shopping and because maybe some of you didn't see the travel vlog, I will tell you the saga of my underwear. So when I travel, I have packing cubes. So I have like one cube for shirts, one for pants, one for dresses, and one for my socks, underwear, bathing suits, like any type of undergarment. So when we left Osaka, I thought I packed everything, and I'm the type of person that before we leave an Airbnb, I check everywhere. Like I look under the bed, under the couch, in the drawers, and I didn't think I was leaving anything behind. But lo and behold, we get to Tokyo and the packing cube with all of my underwear had disappeared. So I emailed the host and I'm like, so sorry, I must have forgotten to check thoroughly. It's probably still in the apartment. I asked her to have a look around and she got back to me a few days later and she's like, no, there's nothing in your apartment. And I was like, oh, well, that's weird because it's definitely not in Tokyo. My bag was locked while we were traveling. So where did my underwear go?
The great mystery. And the suspicious thing is that the Airbnb listing is no longer available.
Okay, yes, because my grand plan was like, well, we flew into Osaka, we have to fly out of Osaka, so I'm gonna book the same Airbnb. Once we're back in the city, I'm gonna check the apartment and see where my undergarments went. And then I go to book it like yesterday and I see that the listing has been removed. So it's like this host no longer offers that place and I'm like, what is going on? So I really don't know. Like, I don't know if she found my undergarments, if she kept my undergarments, if they just like mysteriously vanished. But it's super weird. But yeah, that is the reason why we're shopping today. Alright guys, so I'm going to be trying on 2 bathing suits because that was one of the items that disappeared with my packing cube. So this is weird. I wanted to try on this shirt, and because I have makeup on, I need to wear this.
I'm really liking some of the shirts I see here at the store. Like this one has Mount Fuji. This is like a traditional bridge. Fuji in the background. It's like I'm going to buy one of these, to be honest. Who's that handsome looking devil?
Oh wait, must be me. Guys, I'm so excited. I came here and I realized that I'd forgotten my travel jacket somewhere else, and it's like pouring rain. It's kind of miserable. But take a look at this. It's gray, which is nice, meaning it goes with absolutely everything. It is like the thinnest material I have ever felt in my entire life. It's even got a little pouch here, which you can basically stuff it in when you're done. So it's probably gonna take up like this much room.
Man, that's awesome. Bag. How much is that bad boy?
2,900 yen.
Dude.
About the same amount of money I spent at an Ikea last night. But this jacket will remain.
This jacket will remain for a very long time.
This is it. This is my new travel jacket.
Well, originally it's just going to be you buying stuff here, but I found like 2 t-shirts I absolutely love. 990 yen. This one's like 1,500. Sorry, I'm like blocking you here. So you're talking like 8-9 US bucks, like 13-14 for this one. Heck of a deal, and the quality is really good. Like I've been feeling the quality of the con seems excellent.
Look, the Polaroid is one thing, but let's see the other one. That shirt just screams the guy wearing the kitty shirt.
Look at that. Check out that trio.
It's perfect. This is the new look.
We are done shopping. That was a successful mission. got a pack with 3 pairs of socks, underwear, got a bathing suit. So I mean, we're not back to where I used to be.
I got 2 pairs of shirts.
You got 3 pairs of shirts.
Oh, sorry, 3.
Remember?
That's right. I found that at last one. Yeah.
So yeah, I would say this is actually a pretty affordable store. I really like it, and I like their summer fashions.
Yeah.
So I don't know, if we encounter another Uniqlo, I may do a bit more shopping. But for today, this is good. I got what I needed. So we have now reached the 13th floor where they have a terrace with an outdoor garden, and it is raining, but I'm still going to show you guys what it looks like. Well, 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 hello Tokyo!
Hello Tokyo, and these are our first views of Tokyo from high above, so
yeah,
this is pretty awesome. Like, I had no idea about this. What a surprise.
Also, while we're here, let's check out that tower just behind Sam's head. This is why this place is called Takashimaya Times Square. That looks like the Empire State Building. So yeah, I would say that was pretty efficient shopping. Now we're just enjoying the views from the terrace. And one thing to mention is that if you're a foreigner and you bring your passport, you can shop tax-free. I forgot. I already knew this, but I just forgot to bring my passport. But yeah, you save a bit of money, which is cool. Alright guys, so we thought we were gonna eat at that mall, but honestly it's all a bit gourmet, a bit pricey, so yeah, we were like, maybe not. So we tried going to the restaurants on the 13th floor and decided against that. Then we went down to the basement, but that's kind of like more gourmet meals that you take home, kind of like takeout. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave the mall, we're gonna cross through the underground, through the subway, and then on the other side of the street there's a Shake Shack. And we've been craving Shake Shack.
OMG.
And I know those are gourmet burgers and they're a bit pricey, but it's like I'm willing to pay money for that food versus what we have at the mall. So that's the plan.